the address. And good that Mr. President had called out to the Filipino people to look into this and to question the highly anomalous legislative process in coming up with a national budget for 2025.
Alam mo, if I may add, nakikiusap lang ako sa mga ulol na to. Kung sino yung gumagawa ng ganun. Pwede bang sabihin ko sa inyo na do not the people of the Philippines. Magkagulo tayo. Huwag ninyo kaming isali, buhay pa ako. Saka nandyan yung